passionate is doing what you love. And people, believe me, all of us are here today in this room just because our passion drives us here. So I'd like to take a moment to congratulate each one of you. Woo! Let's clap for ourselves. I was a fellow from fall 2016, and this was when UIF came into India. I was a solo fellow at my campus, and the challenges that I had to face were different. So I had to find new possibilities to come through these challenges. And then what I did was to get connected with the UIF community through the social media and get help. I got the support from the UIF community, and this worked for me. And this is how we thought of bringing a faculty champion to the UIF meet here in CoWrks last June, and he is with us here today. Woo! Let's give a shout out. And we together build up new ideas, new ideologies that we could see here at our meetup. And we went back to the campus and did the epic shit. We made our community grow to 8 fellows, and they are here. Woo! Can I hear from Siddharth Institute of Engineering fellows? And even when I was stabbed up to the floor, being a single fellow, the moment when I was back from the Silicon Valley meetup and started doing new things, the only thing that I could get was a disapproval all time. So to face this disapproval, I had my team together, and we could do a lot more things. And a lot of these possibilities to face disapproval, all the UIF community helped me. And the D challenge, and this is what really made a big change in our campus. We could get more into the campus because of this D challenge. And what was the D challenge? Design challenge was a challenge given to us by the UIF staff to conduct 4 workshops, each of 24 participants, and 4 times within a month. And we could do it successfully and reach 100 students in our campus. Woo! And we introduced them the design thinking process, and that helped us to get more into the campus and do a lot more. So then that I believed that when I was a solo fellow, I thought so many things, but I could do because I didn't have a team. And that was when I realized that we will know only when we start doing things and do epic shit. And with this success story of being a University Innovation Fellow, I would like to ask you, how might you use your passion to fuel your persistence?